Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Bijay and I'm a Microsoft MVP. And today in this video, I'm going to explain you how we can create an intranet page for any organization. Particularly in this case, I have taken the example of how we can build an intranet home page for an IT organization. Now, what are the things that in an organization you would like to see? So in this particular example, I have taken CEO message, what are the services the company is providing, then various quick links that which user can click and navigate to avail those services, as well as I explained how we can display latest news and technology events, then company policy document. I have added FAQ section. Also, I have added some contacts for HR contacts, IT support contact, like this. So overall, I created a pages like this by using the SharePoint out of box web parts. We have not added any custom web parts. All are out of box web parts. And this is a very common requirement for any organization who is using SharePoint. And in case if you require any kind of services like this, you can let us know. We'll help you building your intranet as well as your document management system, security, everything we will help you on build it. Also, if you are a beginner and want to learn SharePoint, then you can check out the training course in the link in the video description, where you can learn complete SharePoint including Power Platform and SPFX also. Already recorded the video, it is more than 25 minutes, but it is worth watching it. You will be able to know how we can create this kind of pages by using modern web parts. So let's go to the system and enjoy the video. This video is going to be an interesting one, as I said, and here I will show you how we can create an intranet home page for an IT company by using SharePoint Online. And then we will use all the out of box web parts. We are not using any core custom web parts. All the out of box web parts we will use it. And anytime if you will get this kind of requirements, then first thing will come to your mind is that what are the components that we can display in the home page. Then only you will decide what web part you will take for it. So first thing I will show you this, in particularly for this example, I will show a CEO message, some services on that on the header part. Then I'll show a daily quote message, and then quick links. For example, quick links means in the page someone will click on that and then they can navigate to the other pages, right? So these are the, let's say, quick links I want to show it. And then I'll show some latest news or technologies for which we are working, then some events, and then company policy documents and some FAQs related to that. And then I'll show some HR contacts. So these are the things that we are going to add in this particular page, which we are going to now see, or will design the page. Video will be a little longer, which is okay, but you will get to know how we can create or customize this kind of pages or the home pages of a SharePoint site. And there will be a lot of requirements. Your organization, your HR department, IT department, finance department, they required this kind of pages so that they can display that information to the target audience. And if you are newly implementing this as an organization, and if you need help on this, you can contact us, and we have a team and we can help you designing these pages, implementing the document management strategy, the security strategy, everything, and we'll help you on that. Okay, now coming back to this, so let me just show you a SharePoint site. For this, I have created a SharePoint site. You can see here, this is a SharePoint site, SP development site. This is the home page. We will customize this page, or in fact, you can also create another page and we can set that as our home page also. So let's go from the basics. So I'll create a page here. So you can see here, I click on new, then page, and then I will create a simply blank page here, and then click on create. So now you can see here, title, you can give any title for it. Suppose I will give, let's say, new home, and then I'll just publish it. Now you see here, this is a completely blank page. You can see here, this is the new page, and which is completely blank page. We will now customize this. I'll edit this page. First thing, in Microsoft, this is known as the banner, and now you can see you have the delete option. That means you can now delete this, and you can add a new web part, custom web part if you want to add, any out of box if you want to add. Previously this you are not able to delete it. I think I have created a video where if you do not see this option, then I'll put that link in the video description where you can change the layout so that this will go. But now it is, you can see here it is available on my tenant, so I can delete this. So I'll say delete. Now you can see here we have a blank page here, and if you'll publish now, you will not see the top the part here, you can see here, right? So this is what we required for our design. And in the first one, so what we will do here is uh, I will delete this section and I will create one more section here. Once you click on create, then you can see here you will be able to see this different layouts for the sections. I will use 1/3 layout, so you can see here this one. So why 1/3 layout? Because if you look at here, I want to show the CEO message and then the service. So in the first part I'll add the CEO message, that I will take simply a text to a part here, and I will copy the message here. I just added this. Let's say I'll copy this. You can see here I copied it, and then I will add a button into this. So button, I can take this and I can simply tell you can see here right in the right side, you can go to the properties here, so you can change the button properties. I will say read more, and the link you can give any link. In this case I will give the home page link, so I don't have a page for it. If you have a page, you can give it. You can give center aligned. I'll keep this as on the left aligned. Now click on publish. Now if you'll see here in this case, you can see this is coming like this, but I want to give a header for it, so I'll edit this and I will give a header here. So header means I will write everything in the same web part only. I'll say CEO message, and I'll make this as a heading, so you can see here. So now it looks like this. Now just one thing to tell you, like if you see here the button color and stuff like that, you cannot change it. It is taking from the theme. So I'll just quickly show you. Click on this and then change the look. And when you click on this theme, and you can choose any theme. Let's say I'll choose this theme. Now you can see here the button color change. So it all depends whatever the theme you choose. Let's say I'll choose this one. So I have selected this one, and now the button color you can see here, it is coming the blue one. I'll click on edit, and the right side part now we'll add another web part on this. You can click on this, you'll be able to see the web parts, and here I will add the hero web parts on this. You can see here this is the hero web part, and on this we are going to add some services that we provide. So I'll copy this thing. So suppose I will take this one, first one, select the link again. You require to have a link for it. I'll take custom link, and I will just take maybe I'll just take the home page link for everything. You can give the link for which if you want to add. So you can see here I added this. So now you can see here it is completely blank is coming, but let me just quickly paste the link everywhere, so that on this, right? So you can see here now the hero part usually not like this, right? So what we'll do here is you can now individual tiles you can go and modify it. The look and feel is looking fine, but you can see other way. If you want to add the tiles, you can change it. That we'll see, but you can click on this edit details, and here we can provide the title. So for example, in this case I'll provide the title is this one, and in this case I will put a background image. So I'll say custom image, and I will add an image here. So I'll add from the stock image. So I will take one image from here. Let's say I'll take this one, and then I'll go here, same thing, I'll put the next title. So this I will add this one, and same way I will add image here. I'll go to change the image from the stock image, so you can add this. The last one you can click here. Now the migration one I'll take, and then I will take a custom image. So in this case also I'll take from a stock image, let's say this one. Now you will see here, now this is how the page looks like. You can publish it. So now you will see the header person, it is looking like this. So people can click over here and then they can navigate the particular page. Now I'll just quickly edit it and I'll show you that you can change the tiles. So let's say if you want to have the design, so you can go to the properties and you can change the design. So you can see here, now it is like this, or 3 layouts you can give like this, 5 it will come like this, right? 1 like this you can do. Same way you can choose the layer and it will come like this, you can see it here. But I will choose tiles and I'll give this 5 layouts thing. So this is how our page looks like. Just to make this attractive, I will change this image here. I'll change the background image here, and I'll just take one more image. So you can see it here, right? So the first image, first one is gone here. So the first person we created like this. The next one, what we'll do here is I'll click on edit, and next one I'll add one section and I'll add one column layout in this case. And what part we are going to add in this is I'll just add a text to a part. So the if you'll see here, what I said is the second part we will add is a daily code. Now in this case I will say this is a sample code. And there is another feature that you can use in this case is the design ideas. So you can see here I added something in the on the text, and then it will show me some design options. I have also created a complete video on this. I will put the link in the video description, you can have a look at it. So let's say for this particular example I will just take this one, or I'll take this one. So now if you'll see here, the daily codes will come like this, right? And then next we will use is the quick links. So I'll add a section, I will take one column layout because I want to add the quick links here. So I'll add one quick links on this, and then I will pause the video and add the other, so that we will not waste time on this. So now click on add, and then if you'll see here, just search for quick, and then you can see it here, quick links. Now in the quick links you can click on add, and then from link. So in this case also I'll do the same thing. I will add like this the URL, and then I will go to the properties here. So now if you see here the title in the quick links, you can see it. So first one we will give the holidays, you can see it. And then most importantly here we would like to choose some icon. So I'll choose the library option and then click on change. Now in this case I will take a holiday, so I'll take kind of calendar icon here. There are a lot of icons are available on this, so you can choose any icon here. So I'll take this, I'll click on select. Now you can see here, this is how it is appearing. So next I will add one more link, and then I will change the layout, and then I'll pause the video. So I'll just copy and I'll add this link, so you can see here, and I'll say okay. And in this case what I'll do here is I will add products, let's say, and this is what it is, library. I'll go and change the icon here. Now you can see here product, I'll add this, and sorry, I'll take this and then insert. So now you will see here, this is how it is coming. But I want to change the layout of this quick link, so I'll just click on edit properties. If you'll see here, there are buttons, so you can see here you can do like this. There are tiles, you can do like this. So for this section I will keep tiles so that it will look good on this case. So I'll pause the video and then I will add all other links on this. Right, so you can see it here. Now I have added everything, so all the links are there, and this layout is looking fine to me. So now let's publish it, and then you can see here, this is how now the page looks like. You can add one more links, quick links if you want, just to make that it will come in the proper alignment, right? So I'll just quickly add one more. So in the next section, what we will do here is, if you'll see here, latest news and then technology. So for this, what we will do is, I will click over here and then we will add one column layout. And in this case, I'll go and add a news web part. So if you'll see here, news is there, so you can see news web part is there. I have some news already there on this, so you can see these options, and then if it not is there, you can add it from here as well. I'll go to the properties and then you can choose those options. So there are other videos which I made, you can have a look at those videos also, how we can use news web part. So in this case, I will just take from these sites, and the how you want to display this, you can see, you can choose these options. So let's say, suppose I want this way, I want this way. So choice is yours, how you want to make it. So you can choose those options, and then you can see here, I'll just republish it, and now my page looks like this. You can see here, suppose you, instead of just news, you can give something on this. So I'll change this to, let's say, company news, right? So you can give like this. So next one, I will click over here, and then in this case, what I'll add is some technologies that we are working. Now this is, I will show you, I will add one column layout. We will use a quick links web part, but I will show you a different layout, and we are using most of the time that also. So you can see it here. I will just quickly add this thing. So I'll just, again, I'll add the just the URLs, so you can see it here, and I'll add three better, I'll add 3 links on this. So you can see here, so basically these are the technology pages. Imagine in your organization you are working on 3-4 technologies, right? So you want to display that information on this. So let's add one more here, right? So you can see I just added it, right? Now we'll rename it, and then I'll change it. I will tell you which layout I'm going to give on this case. Now I want to see the technologies. Let's say I want to give this Power Platform, and in this case I want to choose a custom image. So I'll go here, and then I will select this one. And then for the second one, I would like to give SharePoint Online, and I will add a custom image. So why I'm doing this one again, adding one same quick links, because I want to show another layout, and because that is what mostly we use whenever we work on any intranet page. So I'll choose SharePoint Framework, custom image, I'll add. So you can see here, I have added 4 images on this case, and I'll go to the links, quick links properties, and in this case I want to use this grid view. So if you'll see here, now this is kind of layout that most of the organization, they want to display information like this. So I thought I'll tell you. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Next I will see what we'll add here. I'll just go to the page. You can see here, next we'll add an event. So I'll click on this, we'll add one section, and in this case I'll add a event web parts. So you can see here, I'll just take a event web part. So you can see it will come like this. So let's say I'll say company events. So since there is no events on this, so it is coming like this. Once you'll add the event, then it will come here. So you can even click on this, and then you can create events from here. So you can do that. Next you can also, so next we will add the company policy documents and FAQs section. So for this I will click on this section, and I'll take 1/3. On the left side we will take the third person. So in this case I'll click on this, I'll take a document library here. So if you'll see here, document library I'll take, and I'll select the company policy document. So you can see here, these are the policy documents. So you can, again, you can change, go to the properties, and you can change things whichever you want. Suppose I will go to this library, and then I can add some filter. I don't want to show command bar, so see all button. So all these things I can do. Okay, so you can, again, I'll put a video so that you can check it out, how we can display or how we can work with the document library web parts. So in the next part, what we'll do here is, I'll add again a quick link to a part because I want to add a FAQ section on this. So, and again, I'll use a different layout for this. So I'll search for quick links. I can see it here. So in this case, we will add the links here. Suppose I will add the links here. So I'll just add all the links. So you can see here, I will add 4 or 5 links on this and then I'll come back to the video. Right, so you can see here, I have added a few questions and so here I will give the heading as FAQs. And on this, I will show you how you can change this layout and we'll give a different layout for this. So let's say I'll give this button layout. You can see here how beautiful it is looking, right? So I'll just refresh this page again so that we can see how our page now looks like. So now you can see it here from the beginning. This is how our page looks like. And then last thing I'll add in this case is I will add here, let's say I want to add some HR contacts. Now for that I will add a in this case, let's say I'll take 2 sections. First one, let's say I will add a text here. I will say HR contacts and I'll make this as a heading on this case. Maybe I'll just take H2 and here also I will take a same text box. I will say IT support contacts. You can see it here. So I took these 2 things and I'll make this on same heading too. In the next I will add people web parts on this. So I'll select for people. Let's say here I will choose let's say Bijay. I'll add one more. Let's say you can take this, or in fact I can add one more as well, right? And here in this case you can now see it here. Suppose I'll go to people and in this case we will take something here. Let's say these 3, right? So you can see how it looks like. But most importantly, what I can do here is probably this section I want to give a little bit of background color on this. So let's say you can give like this or like this so that this will look a little different. And yeah, of course any section you can do. So now if you'll see here, this is how our page looks like. Just to give an overview, see your message with some text here, and then the read more button is there. Here I have the hero part, then I have added one quotes, then these are button, nice looking buttons here, company news, and then some we have added some technology that company is working, and then events, and then policy documents, some FAQs, and then the contact details, HR and IT support. So yes, so this is how you can create the page. So as I said, if you need any help on this, you can contact us. We'll be help you on building this. And if you want similar kind of videos, then subscribe to the channel so that whenever I'll make videos on SharePoint, Power Platform, SPFX, all these technologies, you will get it free. So thank you and have a nice day.